Task 1.4, Chart of Account. To go to Chart of Account, first you have to click on GL, and after that click on the Account Maintenance. So this is the sample chart of account based from the one that you choose just now, which is trading company. Before we proceed with instruction A, I would like to explain to you certain things here in the account maintenance. As you can see on your left side, there is a one column under new special account, fixed asset, bank cash deposit, debtor control, creditor, stock and retained earning. So whatever account that related to all these, you may create under new special account. So if let's say in future you want to create fixed asset, you just need to click on this button fixed asset and you can create the account accordingly. But if you want to create a new normal account, what you need to do is you need to go to the up here and click on the button of new normal account. On your left side, you can see there's an edit account, delete account, print chart of account, refresh and close. After you have saved account that you created, if you want to edit, you can just edit, click on the edit account here. And for delete account, if you want to delete account in the account maintenance, what you need to do is you need to make sure that the account doesn't contain any transaction or figure. If let's say your account you have transaction, you can no longer delete the account. The next thing is for the description here under account maintenance, you can see there's a peach color, white color and blue color. The difference between all these three is the account that in peach color is represent account type, TYPE. So capital is your account type, retained earning is your account type, fixed asset is your account type. For the blue color is the account that you created under special account. So whenever you create a special account, the system will detect in blue color together with the short name here. For example, SFA. SFA is represent special fixed asset. SAD is represent special accumulated depreciation. For the white color is represent normal account. So whenever you create normal account, it will turn to white color. So now let's proceed with A. Instruction A asks us to remove this account. So how to remove this account? First of all, you can use the find function here at the top to search for the account that you want to remove. So you have two options here. First, by key in the account number, or second by key in the description. So for example, I key in the account number, I key in everything 210-0000. After that, I click on the enter on my keyboard. It will ask us to, do you want to find from top? And then I just click yes. After I click yes, the system will search the account that I key in the find function. So the account that I key in the find function here is goodwill. So is it goodwill the one that we want to delete? If you want to confirm want to delete this goodwill, what you need to do is you need to go to your left side and choose delete account. So when you click on delete account, the system will prompt out the message, do you really want to delete 210000 goodwill? If you confirm, you click yes. So when you click yes, you can see the goodwill has been deleted from the system. So what I want you to do now is I want you to delete the rest of the account that we provide you in the instruction A. The next one is other debtors. As after delete other debtors is other creditors. After other creditors is hire purchase creditor 420. And the last one will be hire purchase interest suspense. Okay, so after you delete all the account that we provide you in the A instruction, now we proceed to the B instruction. The B one is to rename the following account. So how to rename the following account? You have to follow the same step, which is first you need to find the account. So the account that you want to rename is 510-000, search, and then after that, to rename it, you need to click on the edit account. If just now we delete the account, now we edit the account because we just want to rename the description. So when you edit the account, the description written inwards here, you can delete everything and change to sales written. And after that, you just click on save button to save. Okay, so that is for the B instruction. How about C instruction? C instruction is to remove the existing stock account and to create a new set of stock account. So to remove the existing stock account, you have to find first the same step. You have to find the account that you want to delete, 330-000. When you search the account, which is stock, when you click on the delete account, you can see there's a long message appear. Account 330 stock is a balance stock special account. If you delete, the stock value link will be broken. Do you still want to delete? If you click yes, it means that you need to delete all another 2 more accounts that related to this 330-000. In AutoCount system, when you create stock account, it will automatically click all 3 accounts together from the opening account, closing account, and the balance account. So if you, let's say you want to delete one, you have to make sure you delete another 2 so that the link will not be affected. So since we want to delete everything, so I just click yes. After I search 330, I search for the second stock account, which is 600, which is represent stock at the beginning of year. So I just delete account and yes. And the last one is 620, stock at the end of the year, and then I click delete. Okay, after you delete all the stock account, now is the time for you to create a new stock account. So you can see on your left side, to create a new stock account, what you can do, you can just go to the new special account here and then just click on the stock button, and you can see there is a 3 new stock account that you can key in accordingly. The first one is the open stock account, second is the closed stock account, and the third one is the balance stock account. As you can see, this AutoCount system has filled in accordingly the parent account for each open stock, closing stock, and balance stock. What you need to do now is to just key in the account number and description for each account that you want to create. For example, open stock account, we key in 600 for the account number, and the description is stock opening. For the second closed stock account, we key in the account number 699-9999. The description is stock closing, and the last one is 333. The description is stock BS. After you key in all these three, what you need to do is to just click on the save button to save all your new stock account. Now we proceed with the instruction. D is to remove the existing bank account and create 3 new bank accounts. First of all, we need to find the bank that we need to remove. So what you can do is to go to the find function and find the account that we want to remove, which is 3101000. And after that, we click enter on the keyboard. Do you want to find from top? Yes. So this is the account bank that we want to remove. Okay, it's been highlighted by the system, by the AutoCount system. So what we need to do next is to delete the account. So what you can do, you go to the left side, delete account. Do you really want to delete? Yes. After you delete the cash at bank, the next thing that you need to do is to create a new set of bank account. So how we can actually create a new set of bank account? First step is to determine what is the parent account. So your parent account must be this cash at bank 3100000. So what you need to do, you need to highlight the parent account, cash at bank, and after that, to create a bank account, you need to go to your left side. Under special account, there's a one button, bank cash deposit. Click on that button to create a new bank account. The first bank that we need to create is MBBKL. So what you need to do, for number 1 account, you have to make sure you choose the correct one. If you create bank, you choose bank. If you create cash, you need to click on cash. And if you create deposit, you need to choose deposit. So since we are creating bank, so I choose bank here, and I key in the account number of the first bank that I want to create, which is 310MBB1. The next one is description. So I key in the description is MBBKL. MBBKL. And then there's no second description, so I just leave it blank. Number 2 is the payment method. Okay, as referred to your cost book, here under MBBKL we have 2 type of payment method. The first one is MB check, the second one is MBC card, which is credit card. So we key in the first one, which is MB check, at the first line here, right? And then the general type is bank. The bank charge account is empty. The bank charge percentage is 0. By right, in real case, you do have bank charges, but for the training purpose, we leave it blank. So for the payment by, you need to put by check, and then the payment type, you have to choose the check as well. So this is the first payment method. So you have another one payment method, right? So what you need to do, you have to click on the add payment method button here to add the second line for your payment method. So under second line here, what you need to do is you delete everything and you replace with MBC card, credit card. So the general type is bank. The bank charges empty for both. Payment by, if just now check, now you have to replace with C card, which is credit card. And the payment type, you have to choose credit card. Okay, so this is the first bank. After you done for the first bank, what you need to do is you need to click on save button to save. When you save, you can see under your cash at bank there is a MBBKL under your cash at bank. So now we need to do another 2 more bank account, right? So what you need to do, remain the same. You have to highlight the parent account, which is cash at bank, and then after that you go to bank cash deposit. So now we proceed with the second one, the second bank, which is 310 PBB1, and then the description is PBBPJ. and the payment method is PBBPJ, and journal type bank, payment by check, payment type check as well. Okay, after that you just click on save button, and we proceed to the third one, which is bank cash deposit. Account number is 310 CIMB, and then the description is CIMB KL. Okay, and the payment method is CIMB KL as well. So payment by check, payment type you have to choose check as well, and then you click on save. So both of the bank, CIMB and PBB, you only have one payment method. So basically, after you created all the three, you can see under your Cash App Bank you have CIMB KL, MBB KL, and PBB PJ. Next, we do for the E instruction. E instruction is to add a new fixed asset account and its accumulated depreciation account. To create a new fixed asset account, the first step that you need to do is you need to highlight the parent account of fixed asset. Under fixed asset here, you can see you have two types of fixed asset. One is the account type, and one is the fixed asset in white color, which is normal account. So the parent account will be the one in white color, because under fixed asset here there is a sub account that you can see on your system. So you need to highlight the parent account for fixed asset in white color. The next step is to go to the fixed asset button on your left side, and then click on the button, and you can start to key in the fixed asset that you want to create. The account is 205,000. Okay, and the description is ICT and computer. Okay, after you key in the description, the next one is to key in the account number for the accumulated depreciation. So what you can do is you go to the second one to key in the account number. As you can see in your system, you can see the description has automated key in for you. This is because the system already detect based on the fixed asset that you already put in at the above there. So after you created all this, what you need to do is you just need to click on save button. And when you look on your system, under your fixed asset, there will be one additional account for your fixed asset under ICT and computer. Next, we do for F instruction. F instruction, it says that to add two new normal account. So to add two new normal account, first, the same step, you have to highlight the parent account of the normal account that you want to create. So the parent account that we want to create is expenses. So we scroll down, find expenses. Okay, so this is the parent account. We only have one, which is account type. So we highlight the parent account of expenses. And to create a normal account, we have to go to the left side on the top here, which is new normal account. So when you click on new normal account, you can start to key in the account number that you want to create, which is the first one is 9201000. Okay, for sales expenses, right? And the second one, you can just click on the add button here to add on the second line. So to add the button, you just click there, and then the second one, which is 9022000. So the description is marketing expenses. After you key in both of the normal account, to save, you can just click save button, and you can see under your expenses you will have two new normal account, which is sales expenses and also marketing expenses. Now G instruction is to change account number. So if let's say after you create one of the account and you realize you want to change the account number to a new one, what you can do is you need to go to the tools button, and then after that you have to go to the change code, and then you have to go to the change account number. So here, first of all, you need to click on the small plus sign to insert the line for you to choose the old account number. So the old account number that you want to change is 902. So when you click 902, you can see you can choose bank charges here, and after that you key in the new account number, which is 916 to replace with the 902. So 9160000. So after you key in the new one, you can just click on change button, and you will get a message of change account number completed successfully, and after that you can just click OK. So after you click OK, you can just close from this wizard, and you can see on your expenses here the bank charges is still 902. So by right, the system already changed the account numbers. You just need to refresh it. So to refresh the page, you can just go to the left side, and then you find refresh button and click on the refresh. You can see the bank charges has changed to 916.